Checkpoint complete. Crates are secure.
Confirmed. Alpha 1, moving to...
Scan complete. Parameters are nominal.
Locks are secure on this unit. Everything checks out.
Synchronization on the intake cycle.
Good. Keep monitoring the moisture levels as they enter the...
Numbers holding steady on line 3.
Yes, ma'am. All green across the board.
5% efficiency gain over the last run.
Yes, the new settings are working as expected.
Supervisor, we are clear for transfer to the next phase.
Just came through. Everything is stabilizing perfectly.
Excellent. Keep monitoring the flow rate.
The flow rate is optimized.
Check the humidity levels in Section 4.
Maintain the slow rotation cycle.
Confirmed. All systems are synchronized and stable.
At 4.2 across the board.
Confirmed. Temperatures are optimal.
Excellent work, team. Maintain synchronization.
The synchronization is holding at 98% efficiency.
Excellent. Let's push for full capacity on the next cycle.
It's good. The synchronization is holding steady at 98% efficiency.
Check the flow rate on Bay 3.
Reading stable at 50 liters per minute, Supervisor.
Look at the consumption metrics here. We need to optimize the spray cycle.
I see that.
The synchronization sequence seems stable.
Reorganization.
2.5 meters exactly.
Confirmed.
Looks good. Send it to Wash Bay 4.
We need to confirm the laser alignment on table 4.
It's calibrated. Measurements are confirmed.
We're seeing a slight variance.
Yes, I'm tracking that now.
Ensure the documentation for this lot is complete before it moves to the next stage.
Dose accept. Mixing.
conformity here. It meets the standard, you know?
Yes, the conditioning is perfect.
Yeah. Let's clear this tag.
Ensure the scan matches the finish targets before routing the batch to the sealed wash bay.
We need to expedite the transfer to the glazing drums. Ensure the applicator settings match the new batch Flow rate is stable, Supervisor. Synchronization is optimal.
How are the synchronization numbers looking?
We are hitting 98% efficiency.
The inventory count for this batch is showing a discrepancy.
I'll double check the tags before storage.
The density on lot 4B is slightly below the threshold. Are the Sheen results uploaded yet?
Yes, Supervisor, it still meets the...
Chamber 3 is showing a slight anomaly in the humidity levels.
Reroute the shipment to Bay 2 immediately.
How are we tracking on the Leopard lots for the afternoon shipment?
We are on schedule, Supervisor.
We need to increase the fan speed slightly on the lower racks. The pile isn't setting correctly.
Ensure synchronization is stable on line 4. We can't afford any discrepancies in the moisture count.
Confirmed, Supervisor. All readings are within the...
Adjust that clip slightly higher. We need perfect alignment on all racks before the next cycle begins.
Stable at 90% capacity, Supervisor.
Look at the synchronization on the new brushes here.
We are stabilizing within tolerance.
Good, let's maintain the current flow rate.
Monitor the quality targets on screen 11. We need to prioritize the K3B customer codes this hour.
The humidity levels are stable now.
Good. Make sure the output reflects the new settings.
Are the anti-static levels consistent across the batch?
Yes, ma'am. The mist coverage is uniform.
Traceability confirmed on this lot. Everything matches the manifest.
How are the metrics looking on this batch?
Right on target, Supervisor. The new wrapping machine is performing well.
Yes, Supervisor. We're queuing the next batch of luxury orders now.
The synchronization metrics are up 10% since the morning shift.
Yes, the adjustments to the feeder speed are working.
Are the alignment metrics holding steady on the new batch?
Yes, Supervisor. Synchronization is currently at 99.8%.
Stitch alignment on panel 4B is within tolerance.
Noted. The throughput is excellent today.
What's the throughput on the Leopard line?
We are at 98% efficiency, Supervisor.
Look at the tension metrics here. We are stabilizing at 98% efficiency.
Good, the adjustments worked. Keep monitoring the stitch lines.
Ensure the collars are aligned perfectly before they reach the scanner.
The application rate looks good on the mink line.
Agreed. Sensor readings are stable.
Good. Keep monitoring the airflow in tunnel 3.
Hardware check complete. Zippers are smooth.
Confirmed. Please log the approval on the tablet.
Ensure the netting is secure on pallet 3. We need these ready for the afternoon ship.
Did the tracking numbers match the manifest?
Yes, Supervisor. The QR scan confirms synchronization.
Has the seal been scanned and verified?
Yes, Supervisor.
Are double-checked for the new QR standard. The U.S. order volume has increased significantly this quarter.